Alright, so I kind of want to make a quick video about adding Scrollify animations or adding class animations. And the reason why I do this is because if you look here, if you search up Scrollify animations on YouTube, right? There's there's really no fucking tutorial on this, okay? And I'm just gonna skip forward real fast to the actual website, just in case you guys already don't know what Scrollify is. It's kind of just for like one-page layouts. It kind of allows you to separate your page into sections, so that way when somebody scrolls through it, it just kind of like locks. You know what I mean? So we go over here to the examples, and I'll full screen this real fast. And it's cool, you know, like wow, that's pretty cool how they did this. Except this is kind of broken, but someone should change that later. You look at the page source. Let's scroll down here. Let's look at their JS file. There's really nothing like if you're using Scrollify, chances are you're already a beginner. So, and the fact is, the documentation is pretty shit. Lucky for you, I figured out how to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the finished effect of this, and the way it works and the way it looks is that there's gonna be animations that play throughout, I guess, each scroll. So you can see how it just kind of comes in and out, and what also happens is the animation reloads, so that if we were to scroll back up, you see it would just come back again and refades. Okay, so this is the website that I'm hosted locally, and I kind of removed already all the animations on it, and what I've left is just the scroll. So as you can see, this is just your basic Scrollify. This is all I have that allows you to do it, so it's pretty bare bones in itself. Alright, so the example I want to show is this one, where you have one item come from the left, one item come from the right, because once you know this example, you can do everything else, I promise. So here it is. This is our section that we're going to be working with. What we're doing is we're just creating unique identifiers for what we want to be animated, so that way we can target them using jQuery. So in this case, we have this text here which we want to target, and we also have this image we also want to target too. So we're going to give them a unique class name. In this case, I'm just going to be very straightforward. I'm going to call it section 2 column left, section 2 column right. We're just calling it section 2 because this is the second section, although it's index 1. Just keep that in mind. Hopefully, I should probably keep it consistent, but fuck it. Also, because we're using animated.css, we need to have also the animated class, so that way when we add in a fade in, it will be animated. Just in case if you're really new to Scrollify, or if you don't even, or if this is just like your first time hearing about Scrollify, but you want to add scrolling animations, then right here is section, and you can identify each section with your class. And in this case, I used the name hero. Don't worry about this. This is just for the footer. But what we're going to write is we're going to have a key of before, and the value is going to be a function. It's just going to be I. Now, what I is basically this is the section. Okay. In fact, actually, we'll just call it section. Okay. You'll see the reason why I called it I in literally 1 second. If we inspect and we scroll, look at that. As you can see, each time we scroll, we have a new number, and this number is obviously the section that we're on. So using these numbers, we can identify when we want to load our classes and when we want to unload them. So what we're going to do is we're going to do if section is equal to 1, okay, because we're going to be animating this slider here, and as you can see, so we're going to be animating this section here, and the reason why we use 1 is because this is 1, or this is the second in the index. Okay, so as you see, this is 1, this is obviously 0, and this would be 2. So when we're animating this section, all we need to do is now it just comes in basic jQuery, okay, and you do need jQuery to load Scrollify. So if you really want to talk about optimization, and yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and target our left and right columns. Left and target the right column. Okay, and simply we're gonna add class. Okay, and I'm using, remember, like I said, I'm using animated.css. So this is how you do it for animated.css, but you can definitely adjust it to fit whatever the fuck animation library you please. In this case, we're going to use the animation fade left big for the left side, and for the right side, we're going to do fade in right big. Boom, it works. But we're missing something, because if we scroll back up and we scroll back down, nothing happens. It doesn't reload. This is because we didn't take out the class. We just added it in. If this is what you're looking for, if you don't want it to reload, then you're set. It was that easy. But if you want to make it, in my opinion, I think it does look nicer. But then again, you could be doing some overkill shit, so I wouldn't really know. But I know some of you would be interested in, alright, so how the fuck do I make it reload? Can you shut the fuck up and just show me? Oh, okay, I'll shut the fuck up and show you. All you have to do is see if section is not equal to 1. Then you can simply, as easy as this is, okay, why is there 2 of these? You can just remove class. And there you go. It really was that fucking simple. Okay, I fucked it up somehow. Okay, shit. Okay. Here it is. As you can see, it loads, we go back up, it reloads. Or when we go up, it removes the class, so that way we can load the class in again. Alright, so there you go. That's all you really need to know. For the most part, you can just repeat this for every fucking section you want to do. But yeah, this should you should be able. All you gotta do is just create more of these, create more if statements, and you'll be golden. You'll be set. Thank you for watching.